Hello, welcome to everyone. Let's view the topic quadratics under the concept quadratic inequality. Let's see the problem like a quadratic expression is given and an inequality like less than or equal to greater than or equal to like the way and have an expression or 0 in the right hand side. We have to solve the equation that solve the inequation. That means we have to find x which satisfies under the region provided. Okay, the first question is 6x squared minus 23x plus 20 less than 0. First of all, we can find the solution for the equation 6x squared minus 23x plus 20 equals 0. Let's solve this equation. Okay. Now we have to check two numbers whose product is 6 times 20. In order to split the middle term, we have to find two numbers. 6 times 20, that is 120, which gives 120, and whose sum gives minus 23. Like the way we have to find two numbers. Let's take the factorization of 120 initially. First I can take 4. 4 3s are 12, 30, and then I can take 5. 5 6 are 30, and then I can take 3 times 2. Now combine 4 and 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and 5 times 3 is 15, and sum of 5 and 8, 15 and 8 is 23, but 23 sign is negative, so we can make the both of the numbers as a negative. Okay, so negative 8, negative 15 equal to negative 23. So we can split the terms like the way. Then we can take 3x as common from 6x squared and 15x, and then minus 4 from 8x, negative 8x plus 20. From these terms, we can get the common term as 2x minus 5, and 2x minus 5 times 3x minus 4 equal to 0, and using the zero product rule, we can get the answer as 4 by 3 and 5 by 2. Okay, let's do the table. Like number line is divided into 3. One is negative infinity to 4 by 3, and 4 by 3 to 5 by 2, and 5 by 2 to infinity. So we can take test value from each interval, and then we can check whether the inequality is satisfied or not. This is the table. 4 by minus infinity to 4 by 3, we can take the test value between this interval as 1, and we can working out, that is we get the answers positive, but here we need negative answer. Then we can check with 4 by 3 and 5 by 2. The interval test value can be taken as 2 because 4 by 3 is 1.33 something and 5 by 2 is 2.5. So in between the integer is 2. So we can use the 2 as a test value. The test value, at the test value, the function value is negative. So it satisfies the given inequality. And also we can take 5 by 2 comma infinity. The test value is 3, and we can check that is a positive. So the solution is the middle interval. The question inequality is only less than. Suppose less than or equal to means we have to make the closed bracket. But here is a simply less than symbol. So the solution set is 4 by 3 to 5 by 2. Okay. Shall we move on to the next question? Yeah. This equation consists of less than or equal to symbol. So when we have to solve this equation, we have some two values. The two values is also added to the solution. Okay. So first we have to solve this equation. For splitting the middle term, what we have to make, see, 14 times 6. We have to check two numbers. 14 times minus 6, that is negative. 4 6 are 24, balance 2. 1 6 are 6, 7 8, 84. 84 can be divided into simply 21 and 4, and negative 84. So one number is negative. Let's make this negative. 21 minus 4 is 17. So the middle term is split up into 21x and minus 4x. Then take a common 7x from first two numbers, and minus 2 from next two numbers. From this step, we can take 2x plus 3 as common and 7x minus 2. Then using zero product rule, we can get minus 3 by 2 and 2 by 7. Then the interval is split up into 3, minus infinity to minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 to 2 by 7 and 2 by 7 to infinity. Let's take the test value as minus 2 and we can get the answer as positive. Then 0, we can get the answer as negative. Then test value as 1, we can get the answer as positive. So the required interval is minus 3 by 2 comma 2 by 7 and also equal symbol is present, so close the interval is required. Okay. Okay, problem number 3. This is the same. This also like the same way. We solve the equation first. We can interchange the negative sign in order to make x squared coefficient as positive. Then the equation comes to be 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 equal to 0. Then we have to split the middle term whose multiplication is minus 8 and sum is 7. So 8x minus x. Then we can take 2x is common from first term. 2x times x plus 4 minus 1 is common from minus x minus 4. Then from this term x plus 4 is a common term. And using the zero product rule, x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to minus 4. Here equal symbol is present, so it is included in the interval. The interval is divided into 3. And let's take the test value for corresponding intervals. In that the less than symbol is corresponding to first interval and last interval. So the broader the values are included. So that is negative infinity, comma minus 4 included and 1 by 2 included, comma infinity. This would be the answer. So whatever the problem, what we have to do, first we have to make the equation and we have to solve the equation, and then we can split the number line into 3 to 4 intervals in order to get the solution, get the inequality according to the solution of the equation. And in each set of intervals we have to assume a test value, and at the test value we have to examine the sign of the function. If it is satisfies the given sign, then it's okay, it is a solution. If it is not satisfies the equation, that is not a solution, that is not included in the solution set. Okay, suppose equal symbol is present in the inequality sign, we have to include the border value. This is the thing we have to follow. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.